If there's one thing that most all expats complain about in the Philippines, it's the food. There's nothing really inherently wrong with Filipino food. I mean, it's a rich, diverse cuisine, and it's shaped by a mix of indigenous, Spanish, Chinese, and American influences. It's known for bold flavors, often balancing sweet, sour, salty, and sometimes spicy elements. Dishes like adobo, which is one of my favorites, sinigang, fish, pork, sinigang, and lechon. They're all celebrated for their depth and comfort food appeal. That said, some people might find certain aspects less to their taste or their liking. There's a heavy use of vinegar or fish sauce, patis, and it can be polarizing if you're not used to strong, pungent flavors. Some dishes like balut, no thanks. Dinuguan, sometimes. Or anything with bagoong, which I don't do, it's just too salty. It might seem unconventional or intense to outsiders. Texture can also be a hurdle. When you think of like the chewiness of tripe in kari-kari, or the stickiness of rice-based desserts like suman. These types of foods can often be rich and hearty, but they don't vibe with lighter or less oil-forward preferences. In general, many Filipino foods are very salty, while others are, packed with sugars. It really comes down to personal taste and familiarity. As for me personally, I have come to really like some good chicken adobo and lumpia and pancit. And I won't shy away from a good lechon, but it all depends on the quality of the ingredients and the preparation. One issue I have, though, is when you live in the province, there is not much variety. It's like the same old menu everywhere you go. In the larger cities in the Philippines, there tends to be much more variety, including a good choice of Western and international foods. In my last video, we were in Asiana City, and we visited the Vikings buffet there at the Mall of Asia. What I didn't include in that video was another trip to the other Vikings restaurant called the Four Seasons. It's a hot pot style buffet, which I really like. Here you can pick your soup broth and customize it, adding all the freshest and choice ingredients that you like. In addition to the hot pot a la carte styled format at the Four Seasons, there are also many prepared dishes available, including a sushi bar and an ice cream bar, so make sure you save some room for dessert. The day we were here, Terry got a sinigang broth, and I took the vegetable broth, and we were both pretty satisfied. Vikings Philippines operates under the Vikings Group. It has 18 brands, including 7 buffet and 7 a la carte concepts, with a total of 68 branches. So when visiting the Philippines, and especially Manila, I highly recommend a trip to Vikings.
Butterscotch.
Butterscotch?
Yeah.
Oh, homemade, huh? So, when visiting the Philippines, and especially Manila, I highly recommend a trip to Vikings. But when it comes to enjoying quality Western foods, like with good quality cuts of meat and cooking to your own satisfaction, there's no place like home. What's for lunch? Oh, never mind.